guys,
What?
welcome back to
That's the way she laughed.
Yeah, that's the way.
Isn't it, Aria?
That's the way
What?
she laughs.
That's the way you laugh.
Yeah.
Okay, go on.
That's my cousin Aria. Say hi,
Here,
Aria.
say something about a problem.
Don't. What?
That's Rita's got a problem.
Say hey, hi, Aria.
Hi, Aria.
No.
No, just say hi.
Say hello.
Hello.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
And this Catherine. Say hi, Catherine.
Hi.
And I'm going to be testing out this slime. It's very... Actually, I bought this in Milton. It's very stretchy. And it just whipped on me, but it doesn't matter.
What
And-
is this?
And I bought this neon super slime. So,
It's going to this one.
hey, Aria got your butter in the
No.
This one's yours.
yeah. Got your butter in the top and close it, please. So here's my slime. It's a little bit droopy. And,
Ah.
and stretchy. Let's see if it's stretch. Oh no. And yeah, show them your mask
This is my mask.
that I got for you. I got personally.
I this and this slime. This slime.
Telling you.
And so Aria got this slime. And Amy got the metallic slime.
But I did got.
I show you the metallic one now. It just I have green. Make sure I have no green.
Lonely, lonely, I can open a lighter. Party together.
That's yours, slime. Can I just put it over?
Okay.
Any
Okay.
green on your hands now?
No. This is metallic green slime. No, I'm not green.
I did like that.
Metallic super slime. No, I'm making a video now, Aria. And leave the mask over there. And let's see.
Can I do it?
No.
Please.
After.
After.
After we make the video, okay?
Okay. Put it in there. What?
No, I have to review it first. It's all. It whipped because Aria whipped it. This is Amy's one, so. So yeah.
Ah! There's green. There's green. Green.
Ah,
Green. Green.
Okay, I'll take it. Oh. Just put it there.
so yeah. Amy like got another slime. It's like putty, but this brown one is putty and we make it into slime. That is my one. And this is Amy's
This
one.
one's cheating.
Huh?
Cheating, cheating, cheating.
It's very like
Yeah. I'll be having a
We have green.
What? I'll be having a
Wow.
Sit down, Aria.
What? Why?
it's very like. Wait, I'm going to test.
Who wants this poo?
This poo. Dad!
Me.
No.
No.
That's Aria.
That's how, yeah. This is dinosaur poo.
I got you.
You bought that for me.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, about
What?
but we went to the shop. We went to the shop yesterday. I think it was yesterday. Yeah, it was yesterday. And
This one goes in there. For
and
second.
we actually bought 3 things for each other. We actually bought 3 things for each other, but we didn't make a video about it. Sorry guys. And Aria,
What?
Aria, take out your one and review it. Will I take it out?
No. Yeah, I take it out.
Okay. So I got Amy a selfie stick, this giraffe mask. So
I got
yeah.
it.
Okay.
Okay, like, and this is Aria's slime. It's very like stretchy, and Lassie if it bounces. Yeah, it does bounce. So Aria hits your slime, and Lassie if this one bounces. Yeah, it does bounce.
Then this one now.
Okay. And Aria got this green one.
It's a mermaid poo.
I think
It actually is. That's what it's called.
let's see if it bounds. Yeah, it
What's in there?
it went in the giraffe. So I got Amy a giraffe mask, a selfie stick, and I can't remember.
Nails.
Oh, nails! It was like this pink nails. It was actually nice. So I could do see. So while I take this out, Amy, do you want to tell what I got?
Oh yeah, so
What you got for me?
I got Tyreek whiteboard markers. Bonbons and that dinosaur. Is that the one you have in your hand? Yeah.
Yeah, dinosaur
Yes.
poop. And
Oh wow.
oh wow, Aria.
Is that his?
Different.
Is that his poop?
No. It's just this dinosaur. It's just a bigger dinosaur. Not a
Okay,
dinosaur. Blue.
Okay.
It's
Aria.
really a dinosaur.
Okay, Aria. Lassie to this bounce. Wait.
Right. Okay.
So yeah, you have to line them up for the outdoor. Guys, this is all the slimes. Tell me which one you like in the comment box below. This one's Aria's. This one's Aria's. A-O-I-A. That's how you spell Aria. This one mine. This one's mine, but I didn't show it, but I didn't show it off in my last video, sorry. This is mine. This is Amy's, and this is Amy's. So comment down below which one you like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Love, peace, like. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Say bye, Amy.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.